What's up, Internet, and welcome to Mocktail Mondays. I wanted to start a series that highlighted non-alcoholic drinks, and I figured that January was a pretty good month to start it. So I figured I'd start a series where I could show you fun and interesting drinks that didn't involve alcohol that could help you, keep up those New Year's resolutions. Today, I'm going to be using this, the Ritual Zero Proof Whiskey Alternative. This is one of those new spirit alternatives that people in the sober community are using to make more and more upscale mocktails. I actually picked this one up at a store that specialized in stuff for expectant mothers. So let's give it a taste and figure out what kind of mocktail I want to make. Ooh, kind of fruity. Alright, that's some pretty thick viscosity. Nose on it is kind of sweet. First impressions, it's going to have some decent body to it if the viscosity has anything to say about it. The whiskey alternative comports to taste like American oak, Madagascar vanilla, capsicum fruit, sugar floss, there's some mesquite smoke, warm caramel, stone fruit, black peppercorn, prickly ash, and toasted spices. Let's give it a shot. Down the hatch. Okay, a little lighter than I initially thought. Definitely a little fruity on the palate. That capsicum gives it like a back of the throat burn. It feels like I'm drinking a spirit. It doesn't necessarily taste like a spirit, but it definitely mimics the experience, the feeling of drinking a spirit. That's really interesting. I don't know if it necessarily reminds me of whiskey, but it's definitely somewhere in the dark spirit family. Some sort of whiskey cordial, brandy cordial, some sort of cognac cordial, something like that. Yeah, the sweetness on it makes me think that I should use it for something a little more desserty. You know what? I got it. Let's try a take on like a bourbon or brandy milk punch. Topping it in nutmeg and maybe a dash of cinnamon, I think will really bring out some of the spices that are in this. We'll definitely need some simple syrup for this, and since this is a new apartment and I don't have any of my syrups pre-made, let's make some simple syrup. We're going to be making a rich simple syrup, so we're going to take 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. Alright, now that we made our simple syrup, we are going to start with 2 ounces of the Ritual Zero Proof Whiskey Alternative and put it in our shaker tin. Followed by 1 ounce of our homemade simple syrup. Followed by 3 ounces of cream, 2 dashes of vanilla extract, and just a kiss of cinnamon to bring out some of those spices. Next, we'll drop in some ice and give it a shake. Grab our fancy cocktail glass with a couple of chunky ice cubes and double strain this into the glass. And then finally garnish with a little bit of grated nutmeg and cinnamon. And there you have it, a whiskey alternative milk punch. Let's taste it. Oh wow, complex, desserty, sweet, but the spices really do come through. The nose is fantastic. That would be a lovely nightcap, something to finish your evening off with. And you can almost fool yourself into thinking it's healthy because there's no alcohol in it. Oh, it's good though. Well friends, thanks for coming along on the journey of starting a series called Mocktail Mondays. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you try this recipe out at home, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Oh, and you might have noticed that I've been working with this really swanky new bar kit. This was sent to me by my friends over at A Bar Above. They are specializing in like an upscale cocktail making implements. Really nice stuff, really kind of nice heft to it, feels good in the hand. I'll be putting it through its paces in the coming weeks, but thus far I'm really happy with it. If you would like to score some for yourself, you can actually find a link to their online store in the description below. First time I've been able to say that, so that's cool. If you go over to their website and you see something that you'd like to purchase, whether it be bar kit or they even have like online bartending classes, go through the link in my description and the channel gets a little bit of kickback. So that's cool. Anyways, as always, I've been Dave. Thank you for coming along and trying some mocktails with me, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.